How to turn off vibrations in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, in physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Now click on touch, and then here you can turn off your vibrations. If you turn on your vibrations, then turn it off. After turning off your vibrations, then go back and click on sounds and haptics, and here you can see the option ringtone. Now click on ringtone and then click on haptics. Now here you can select none. After turning off these vibrations, your problem will be fixed and it will help you to save your battery life. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.